Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Beginner Speaking Podcast. I am Sophia, and today we are going to practice how to talk about your future plans in English. This lesson is for beginner and intermediate learners who want to speak clearly about dreams, goals, appointments, study plans, work plans, travel plans, family plans, and life plans. People often ask, what are you going to do? What are your plans? Where do you see yourself in the future? These questions can feel difficult, but we can answer them with simple sentences. Take a slow breath. Relax your mouth. Let us begin with hopeful future English. Talking about the future is useful in many situations. You may talk with friends about the weekend. You may talk with your teacher about study goals. You may talk in a job interview about your career plans. You may talk with family about travel, money, work, or education. Future plans can be small or big. A small plan is, I am going to clean my room tomorrow. A big plan is, I want to start my own business one day. Both are useful. English helps you explain where you want to go next. Let us start with the easiest future phrase. I am going to. Say, I am going to study tonight. I am going to call my friend. I am going to visit my family. I am going to look for a job. I am going to save money. I am going to practice English every day. This phrase is very common because it talks about plans or intentions. An intention is something you plan or want to do. You can use I am going to for tomorrow, next week, next month, or later in life. Now let us practice questions with going to. What are you going to do tomorrow? I am going to study English. What are you going to do this weekend? I am going to rest and visit my family. What are you going to do next year? I am going to take a new course. Are you going to travel soon? Maybe. I am going to visit another city. Notice that the question starts with what are you going to do? This is very useful. Practice it slowly until it feels natural. Another common future phrase is I will. Say, I will help you. I will call you later. I will send the message. I will try again. I will study tomorrow. I will not give up. We often use will for decisions, promises, offers, and predictions. A prediction is what you think will happen. For example, I think it will rain tomorrow. I think English will help my future. I believe I will improve. Will is simple, short, and strong. It can sound confident. Let us compare going to and will in a simple way. Use going to for a plan you already have. I am going to study tonight. Use will when you decide now, promise, or predict. I will help you. I will try. I think it will be easy. Do not worry too much about perfect grammar. Many times, people understand both. The important thing is to speak. For beginner learners, learn both patterns. I am going to for plans. I will for promises and quick decisions. Now let us talk about want to. Want to is simple and powerful for future plans. I want to learn English. I want to get a better job. I want to travel. I want to help my family. I want to save money. I want to become more confident. This phrase shows desire. Desire means something you hope for or wish for. If your plan is not certain yet, want to is perfect. You can say, I want to study abroad one day, but I am not ready yet. That sounds honest and natural. A useful pattern is, my goal is to. Say, my goal is to improve my English. My goal is to speak more confidently. My goal is to find a good job. My goal is to finish my course. My goal is to start a small business. My goal is to save money for the future. A goal is something you want to achieve. Achieve means reach or complete something important. This phrase is useful in school, work, interviews, and personal conversations. Now let us practice short-term and long-term plans. Short-term means soon. Long-term means later in the future. A short-term plan could be, this week I am going to study every evening. A long-term plan could be, in the future I want to speak English fluently. Short-term plans help you move today. Long-term plans give you direction. Direction means where you are going. You can say, my short-term goal is to improve my listening. My long-term goal is to work in an international company. Let us practice time phrases for future plans. Tomorrow, tonight, this weekend, next week, next month, next year, soon, later, in the future, one day, someday. In 5 years, after I finish school, after I get a job, when I have enough money. These phrases help you place your plans in time. Say, tomorrow, I am going to review my notes. Next month, I am going to start a new course. In the future, I want to travel more. One day, I hope to speak English like a confident speaker. Now let us talk about study plans. You can say, I am going to study English every day. I am going to review new words. I am going to practice speaking. I am going to listen to podcasts. I am going to take an online class. I want to improve my pronunciation. I want to understand native speakers better. I want to write better sentences. If you want a clear plan, say, I will study for 20 minutes every morning. This is specific. Specific means clear and exact. Let us practice a study plan. This week, I am going to learn 20 new words. I will write each word in a sentence. I will listen to one short English lesson every day. I will repeat useful phrases out loud. At the end of the week, I will review everything. This plan is simple but strong. Good plans are not always big. A good plan is something you can actually do. Actually means really. If your plan is too hard, you may stop. If your plan is small and clear, you can continue. Now, let us talk about work plans. You can say, I want to get a job. I want to change my job. I want to start a career in business. I want to learn new skills for work. I am going to prepare my resume. I am going to apply for jobs. Apply means send your information to get a job, school, place, or program. I am going to practice interview questions. I will improve my English for work. These sentences are practical. Future work plans are common in conversations and interviews. Let us practice interview-style future answers. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? This question means, what is your future career plan? You can answer simply, in 5 years, I hope to have more experience and better skills. I want to grow in my career and become more confident. Another answer, I hope to work in a good company, learn from my team, and take more responsibility. Responsibility means important tasks or duties. This answer sounds professional, but still simple. Now, let us talk about travel plans. You can say, I am going to travel next year. I want to visit another country. I want to see new places. I am going to save money for a trip. I will check ticket prices. I will prepare my passport. I hope to travel with my family. I hope to visit a beautiful city. Hope means you want something to happen. Travel plans often use hope because we are not always sure. I hope to travel soon. I hope everything goes well. Let us practice travel planning sentences. First, I will choose the place. Then, I will check the cost. After that, I will save money. I will book the ticket when I am ready. Finally, I will pack my suitcase. These order words are useful. First, then, after that, finally. They help you explain steps. Future plans often have steps. When you talk about steps, your plan sounds organized. You can use this structure for travel, study, work, and family plans. Now, let us talk about family plans. You can say, I am going to visit my parents this weekend. I am going to spend more time with my family. I want to help my family more. I want to support my children in the future. I hope to build a better life for my family. Support means help with money, time, love, or care. Family plans can be emotional, so speak simply and honestly. You can say, my future plan is to make my family proud. Proud means feeling happy because of someone's success or good action. Now, let us talk about money plans. Money is part of many future plans. You can say, I am going to save money every month. I am going to make a budget. I will spend less on unnecessary things. I want to pay my bills on time. I want to build emergency savings. I want to buy a house one day. I want to start a small business. These sentences are useful and real. You can also say, my budget is small, but I will start with a little. A little saving is better than no saving. Let us practice goals with because. I want to save money because I need more security. I want to learn English because it can help my future. I want to get a better job because I want more opportunities. I want to study more because education is important to me. I want to travel because I want to see the world. Because gives your plan meaning. Meaning makes your answer stronger. If someone asks, "Why do you want to learn English?" do not say only because. Say, "Because I want better opportunities." Now let us talk about dreams. A dream is a big hope for your future. You can say, "My dream is to speak English fluently. My dream is to become a teacher. My dream is to travel the world. My dream is to open a business. My dream is to help my family." Dreams can feel far away, but they give your heart direction. A plan turns a dream into steps. For example, my dream is to speak English fluently, so my plan is to practice every day. Dream plus plan equals progress. Let us practice dream sentences. One day, I want to live in a peaceful place. One day, I want to have my own business. Someday, I hope to study at a good university. Someday, I hope to speak English with confidence. In the future, I want to become stronger, wiser, and more independent. Independent means able to do things by yourself. These sentences are personal and hopeful. Use them when talking about big life plans. Now, let us talk about uncertain plans. Not every future plan is clear. Sometimes you do not know yet. That is okay. You can say, "I am not sure yet. I am still thinking about it. I have not decided yet. I am considering a few options." Considering means thinking carefully about choices. I might take a course. I might look for a new job. I might travel next year. Might means maybe. It is perfect when you are not sure. You can speak about the future without pretending you know everything. Let us practice uncertain future sentences. I might study online. I might move to another city. I might start a new job. I might take a break. I have not decided yet. I am still thinking about my options. I need more information before I decide. These phrases sound honest and mature. Mature means thoughtful and responsible. You do not need to have every answer. Sometimes a good answer is, "I am still deciding." Now let us talk about making plans with other people. You can say, "What are your plans for tomorrow? Are you free this weekend? Do you want to meet next week? We should study together. Let's make a plan. Let's meet at 3. Let's talk later." The word let's means let us. It is used for suggestions. Let's go for a walk. Let's practice English. Let's call tomorrow. These phrases are friendly and practical. Future plans are often social, so you need language for making suggestions. Let us practice accepting and changing plans. If you agree, say, "That sounds good." "Yes, that works for me." "I am free then." If you cannot, say, "I am sorry. I cannot tomorrow." "Could we meet another day?" "That time does not work for me." "How about Friday?" The phrase "how about" is very useful for suggestions. How about Friday? How about 3 o'clock? How about next week? Plans change, and English helps you adjust them politely. Now, let us talk about planning problems. Sometimes plans do not work. You can say, "My plan changed." "Something came up." Something came up means an unexpected situation happened. I need to change the time. I need to cancel the plan. I need to reschedule. Reschedule means choose a new time. I am sorry, but I cannot come today. Could we reschedule for tomorrow? This is very useful. Plans are not always perfect, so you need flexible English. Flexible means able to change. Let us practice rescheduling. "I am sorry, but I need to reschedule our meeting. Could we meet on Monday instead? I cannot come at 3. How about 4? My schedule changed. Can we choose another time? Thank you for understanding." These sentences are polite. Do not only say, "I cannot come." Add a new suggestion if possible. This helps the conversation continue. Now imagine a learner named Daniel. Daniel wants to talk about his future plans in English, but he always says, "I do not know." One day, his teacher asks, "What are your plans for the future?" Daniel feels nervous. Then he remembers 3 simple phrases. I want to, I am going to, and I hope to. He says, "I want to improve my English. I am going to study every morning. I hope to get a better job in the future. After that day, Daniel writes his future plans in a notebook. He makes 3 columns: short-term plans, long-term plans, and dreams. Under short-term, he writes, study English every morning. Under long-term, he writes, get a better job. Under dreams, he writes, travel and help my family. Then he practices speaking. This month, I am going to study English every morning. In the future, I want to get a better job. One day, I hope to travel and help my family. Daniel learns that future plans do not need to be perfect. They can change. He might choose a different job. He might travel later, not soon. He might study another skill too. But speaking about plans gives him direction. It makes his dreams more real. When English connects to your future, it becomes more powerful. You can practice like Daniel. Take a piece of paper and write 3 sentences. First, tomorrow I am going to. Second, this year I want to. Third, one day I hope to. For example, tomorrow I am going to practice English. This year I want to improve my speaking. One day I hope to travel to another country. Read these sentences aloud. Let us build your future plans sentence bank. I am going to study tomorrow. I will try again. I want to improve my English. My goal is to speak confidently. My short-term goal is. My long-term goal is. In the future, I hope to. One day, I want to. I might take a course. I have not decided yet. I am still thinking about it. Let's make a plan. That works for me. Could we reschedule? I will take one small step. Keep these phrases ready. Now let us do final speaking practice. Answer these questions slowly. What are you going to do tomorrow? What are your plans for this week? What is one study goal you have? What is one work goal you have? What is one travel dream you have? What are you saving money for? What might you do next year? What is one dream for your future? Pause when you need time. You can answer simply. Tomorrow, I am going to study English. This year, I want to improve my speaking. One day, I hope to travel. Your future does not need to be fully clear today. It only needs one honest goal, one small plan, and one brave step that you can take right now. Before we finish, remember this. Talking about future plans in English is not difficult when you use simple patterns. Use I am going to for plans. Use I will for promises and quick decisions. Use I want to for desires. Use my goal is to for clear goals. Use I hope to for dreams. Use I might when you are not sure. Add time phrases like tomorrow, next year, in the future, and one day. Add because to explain your reason. Thank you for listening to Beginner Speaking Podcast. I am Sophia, and I am proud of you for practicing today. Keep listening, keep repeating, and keep speaking about your future with calm confidence. Your English voice is growing, one future plan, one clear goal, and one hopeful sentence at a time, every day with real hope.